Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve Cohen Sutherland example. How we can solve the example of Cohen Sutherland method. Let's see example 1. What we given in example that clip the line PQ having coordinates P41 and Q is 6,4 against the clip window having vertices A32, B72, C76 and D36 using Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm. So first of all write what we have given, that is PQ coordinates. So P is equal to 4, 1 and Q is equal to 6 and 4. This will show x-axis and this will show y-axis. x1, y1, or you can say x2, y2. Right? This is our first. So we are having line is equal to P 4, 1 and Q, that is 6 and 4. First of all, draw this line over the window. For example, this one is our window. Now let the window having vertices point A, that is 3 and 2, point B having 7 and 2, point C, that is 7, 6, and point D, that is 3 and 6. Now what will be our line, that is P41, that means it may be here P point is P4 and 1, P41 point, because this is 2, right? So and this is 3, so we can approximate plot the point P41 over here. And what about Q? Q is 6 and 4, so it may be here 6 and 4. This will be 6 and this will be 4. So let the point, put the point Q 6 and 4 and let the draw this line. Now whatever the interaction, that is our intersection point I. Now for this I, what are the intersection points? For that we have to draw Cohen Sutherland line region like this. Suppose this is our Cohen Sutherland 9 regions, right? This is our window. So this point P and Q intersect the I point, and I is nearest to in I, let this point I, which is in Y bottom, right? That means this is in bottom section over here. So we can write I Y bottom comma X comma YB, this point. So we have to find clipping the line point, right? So we have to find, what we have to find, this one, I is equal to YB comma X comma YB, because this is our intersection point, right? So Let's take XL is equal to, XL means from Cohen Sutherland algorithm, what we have to first find, that is first left corner, left, right, then bottom and top, right? So from this algorithm we have to find x left coordinate, XL. XL is equal to, in the from this point XL is equal to 3 left, right? In left x is equal to 3. Similarly XR is equal to 2, means this is our left side, this is XL and this is XR. Clear? So XL is equal to 3, XR is equal to 2. Similarly we have to find this YB and YT, this YB and YT, right? So YB is equal to, what is the value of YB? That is this Y bottom and Y top, right? So YB is equal to 7 and YT is equal to 6. YB is equal to 7 and YT is equal to 6. Now we get the value of left, right, bottom and top coordinates, means our window view points, this one, right? So what we have to do next, we have to find the positions of these points. For that we have to make one table, that is point, end of point and ending operation as per the algorithm. So this way we can find the position like this, right? So let's take the point P. Now this P point, it is in which corner? Bottom, right? So this P point ending is this point, right? So it will be in window. So end point is 0. And what is the code for this P point? That is a bottom of Y. So let's take our LRBT row, means this point, it is in left side, no, so 0. It is in right side, no, then 0. Bottom, then 1 and top 0. So what will be the code for this line? This is 0 1 0 0. Now what we have to do, ending means ending operation, we have to perform this ending operation. So 0 plus 0 1 0 0, answer is 0 plus 0 0 0, 0 plus 1, that is 0 and 1 carry, and 1 plus 0 is 0, right? So suppose if value is 0, so we can say the line is partially visible, right? Then find out the Q point. Similarly end point is Q 0 and code for Q, that is inside the window, here it is inside the window, right? So we can say that the code for Q is 0 0 0. Now what are the ending? It is 0. So this is completely visible, completely visible. Now third step is find the line slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now what will the value of y2? This point is x1 y1 and value of y2, that is y1 x2 comma y2. So y2 value is 4 minus this y1 1 divided by x2. x2 is this one 6, x2 is 6 minus 4. So what will be the answer? That is 3 by 2, right? Now what are the slope equation for this intersection point, right? For this intersection point, that is ybx, as per the algorithm, ybx is equal to x1 plus 1 divided by m yb minus y1, which is m is not equal to 0. Now find the value of this. X1 means xp plus 1 upon m. What are the value of yb? Y bottom is 2. This one value of yb. Yb is equal to 2. So 2 minus y1 means yp, point of yp. So let the put the all values of this. Value of m is equal to 3 by 2 and 1 upon 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. So let the take the value 2 by 3, 2 minus 1, point of yp is equal to 1. So let us solve this equation. 4 plus 2 by 3 is equal to 14 by 3. So what will be the value of I? I is equal to ybx comma yb. So value of I is equal to yb comma x comma yb. So let the put the value in this equation. Ybx is equal to 14 by 3. Put over here in this intersection point 14 by 3, and what will be the value of yb? That is 2. So intersection points value is equal to 14 by 3 and 2. This will be our final answer. Got it? This way we can say Cohen Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Now let's take example number 2. Example number 2. Now it will given that develop a function procedure which performs line clipping algorithm using Cohen Sutherland method. Have line between 2, 2 and 12, 9 is clipped against window with xw minimum comma yw minimum is equal to 4 comma 4 and xw maximum comma yw max is equal to 9 comma 8. What we have to find that how line between 2 comma 2 and 12 comma 9 is clipped against the window. Now what will we have given in this example? What is the solution for it? Line is given, that is P1, line between this and this. So consider P is equal to 2 comma 2 and Q point is 12 comma 9. So point P1 is equal to 2 by 2 and consider Q as a point P2. You can take P1 or P2 or P and Q. So P1 is equal to 2 comma 2 and point P2 is equal to 12 and 9. That is given, right? And it is given as clipped against window. Clipped against window. So we will have xw minimum, yw minimum is equal to 4 comma 4 and xw max and yw max is equal to 9 and 8, right? So we have given window size means xw minimum and yw minimum. So what will be the value of this point, that is xw minimum yw minimum is equal to 4 by 4 and this point is xw max comma yw max, right? And this will be 9 and 8. Now point P1 is 2 by 2. So this point is 4 by 4. So line is, maybe let's take the approximately chart, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and this may be a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and this point will be 9, right? So approximately we get the point over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, right? So point P1, this will be our point P1 2 by 2 and P2 is equal to 12 by 9. So 10, 11 and 12. It will be approximately here this point. So this will be our point, this will be our point P2, 9 and 12, right? So which point we have to find, that is I1 and I2, that is intersection point 1 and intersection point 2, right? So let's find the slope equation, because for this clipping line we have to find slope equation. So let's find the slope equation. M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what will be the value of y2? That is 9 minus 2 and 12 minus 2. This one x1 y1 and x2 y2. 9 minus 2, that is 7 divided by 10. This will be the value of slope. Now let's find this I1 point. I1 x is equal to x1 plus yw minimum minus y1 divided by m. So what will be the value of x1? That is 2 plus yw minimum, that is 4 minus 2 into 10 by 7. This is, suppose m is equal to 7 by 10. So 1 upon m is equal to 1 upon 7 by 10 is equal to 10 by 7. So this will come 10 by 7. So what will be the value for I1 is equal to 4.85. I1x, value of I1x, that is 4.857. And what will be the value of I1? That is 4.857 comma yw minimum. So value of I1, this is 4.857 comma 4, right? This is approximate value. And what will be the value of I2y related to y? That is y1 plus m into xw max minus x1. So y1 is equal to 2, 7 divided by 10 into 9 minus 2. So this will give 6.9. So what will be the value of I2 is equal to I2y minus which one? Minimum. So 9 comma 6.9. 9 is for this one, xw max, comma I2y. This way we can find the intersection point I1 and I2. This will be our final answer. So I hope you clear with Cohen Sutherland line clipping example. This way we can solve the example of Cohen Sutherland algorithm. Thank you for watching.